Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that doesn't exist, but that's alright. So, today I got my first package from Dolls Kill. It's right there. I have been wanting to get this stuff for so long, and I finally did. So, we're gonna jump right into it. Didn't want to go downstairs for scissors, so we're just gonna improvise. I found out about Dolls Kill from this YouTube channel. I think it was Trisha Paytas, and I saw the clothes, and I was like, so I guess my next paycheck's gonna be gone. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Sure just got scissors. Good news, I opened it. Okay. So, ooh, we got some nice little this. Beautiful. Need to make a return? Hope not, because if this stuff doesn't fit, I'll just cry about it. So let's jump into it. First, we have Sugar Grills. This is their panties. I got underwear. Don't judge me, but that's okay, because I got in a matching set. They're so cute. So excited to wear these. I'm a sucker for matching sets, and I don't know why, but we're over it. Skirt with suspenders. Okay, so I've thought suspender skirts were the cutest thing ever, but I never found one that I was like, yes. And then I found this. So my last video got deleted. Smiley Boo bodysuit. Yeah, it's really cute. It's a bodysuit. There's one with aliens on it too that I thought was really cute, and I wanted it, but I don't have that much money. And then there was this top that I already freaked out about, but I'm still freaking out about it because I love it so much. This, so I'm going to Pride, and I want to be like rainbow and like Pride, but also look like amazing because it's just who I am. So this is the Rainbow Runner bra top, and it was one of the things I was most excited about getting, which is why I charged more for shipping, because I needed it right now. But yeah, and there's also a matching skirt, but we'll get to that in a second. So, next item. I got some thigh highs for some reason. Alright. That took years. So, then I have this. It is the two-piece red fishnet bralette set. So, it's like a fishnet bra, and then on the back it's like a racer back, but it has like fishnet, and it looks like really cool. I'll probably post a lot of photos like wearing this and be like, at Dolls Kill, please notice me because I love you, and I just love you. And then it has like bottoms, and it goes like right here, and you can't tell what that is because of this shirt, but it's like almost to your belly button, and it's just like fishnet, but then you're supposed to wear pants, okay? Like, or like a skirt or something. Like, I'm not just gonna walk around in underwear. I swear to God. But it's not underwear, okay? It's different. I don't know how to describe it, but it's fine. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. I'm not a pink girl. Let's get that out. So, yeah, I'm not a pink girl. Usually never am. But I saw this. It's the Sweet Rebellious Kitty skirt set. And it's like a tank top. It's kind of cropped. And then it's just like a cute little, like, A-line skirt. Which, sorry, I got an email. Which I think is really cute. And I need to start wearing more colors because I just always wear like black and white, and I need to stop. So yeah. Next. Oh, okay. This is the Curfew Crusader tie-dye dress. It's really pretty tie-dye. I just loved it. It's just a tube dress, and it's so cute. So I'm in love with it, and that's fantastic. But next. Hey, switched cameras, because, it's just a lot of work. Next items. Got this sports bra from Poster Girl. It's really cute. It comes with, biker shorts, too, that are, like, supposed to be matching. And if you don't know by now, I'm obsessed with, like, matching, like, matching sets, like, just all of it. I love it. Next, oh, I got this really cute tank top. Poster Girl once again. That logo's not on there, but it's just plain. And I really like the neon straps just because it was cute. Like, it looked cool. So these are the biker shorts that I was talking about. They go to like mid-thigh. They're really cute. They just go with this bra. I was thinking like a cute like crop top over it. Next, Wicked Dangerous Games overall dress. Okay, so yeah, I got an overall dress. Don't judge me, okay? It was so cute, and it has like a little zip up the front, and there's also one that's leopard print. And I was like, which one am I supposed to get? And then I texted someone about it, and they were just like, you know that you're gonna have both eventually, right? And I'm like, you right, because I can't stop buying clothes, and it's a huge problem. But that's fine. So yeah, it's an overall dress, and it has like deep sides, I guess. So I think it'd be really cute to pair with like a crop top or something, like a long sleeve crop top. I have plenty of those. If not, well, I'll probably buy one because it's me, and that's just what I do. Next. Okay. I'm so excited about this. This is the Main Vibe mesh top. So it's a mesh crop top, and it's really cute. I didn't think I'd ever wear like rainbow stuff, and this is already open, so I'm just gonna like, take it out. I did open it, I swear to God. It's super cute though. It's kind of oversized, but I'm so excited to wear it. Probably don't know how I'm gonna wait to wear like any of this. I'm probably gonna like shower and put it all on because I feel gross and I feel like not even worthy to just be touching this clothing. So that's nice. Guys, it's the skirt. I'm so excited to wear this. It comes with, this is the top that it's like, you know, a set. So excited. I am so hyped. This is definitely like so I had like 3 different websites lined up, and I was like comparing prices and like seeing if there's like deals or sales or anything, and then I was gonna like choose one order and then buy it, right? I think this set is what made me choose like to buy this. Also, they had a huge sale, so that was awesome. Thank you, Dolls Kill. But yeah, I'm so excited to wear this. If it's too big, I will cry, but it's okay. And then last package. I know, so sad. I wish I bought more. I wish I would have bought everything on my list. That's like over 5,000. I've already done the math. It's not good. What's this called? It's the hologram crop tank, which is really cute. I don't know, I feel like it's like kind of out there, but you can also like pair it with a lot of like simple stuff, which I think is really cool. Most of the things I got, I was like, yeah, I want to like get something really good and like really like bright and kind of new for Pride, but I also wanted to get stuff that I would like actually wear after, because my closet is so full. Like, here, I'll show you. That's my closet. And I still have 2 boxes with clothes from past orders. It's a problem, but I'm over it. So here's another box for me to put all the clothes in, because I'll definitely not wear some of them for like 2 weeks, and I won't know what to do with them, because I'm like, I don't want to hang them up, because then I'll forget that they exist, and then I'll be like, oh, I was supposed to wear this. But yeah, so that was all the stuff from Dolls Kill. Such a great brand. You'll probably see me, like I did with my Fashion Nova, just like posting every day, like, oh, this is from like this place, and like this is what it's like, and yeah, it's pretty great, because let's be honest, I love clothes no matter where they're from. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't know why you're watching this or how you got a hold of it, but good for you. Be safe, buy everything you want, spend your money wisely, which means on clothes and food. Anyways, have a nice day. Peace out.